BAKARIDE. The grammar of BAKARIDE is mean only or just. Negative description. That means you will use BAKARIDE in the negative description. If you use the BAKARIDE, that means you will use the situation that minus, not plus. So how to use? You can use the verb in causal form with BAKARIDE, adjective, and non-adjective, and end by BAKARIDE or followed by BAKARIDE. So please remember how to use the BAKARIDE. Actually, the BAKARIDE they will use in the situation that in negative situation. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of BAKARIDE, let's go to see some example together. The first example, 夏は暑いばかりで楽しくないでしょう。夏は暑いばかりで楽しくないですよ。Which means summer is just hot all the time. It's no fun at all. Summer is just hot all the time. It's no fun at all. The next example. この仕事は忙しいばかりで意味がない。この仕事は忙しいばかりで意味がない。Which means this job is just busy all the time, but there's no point to it. This job is just busy all the time, but there's no point to it. That means this job is really busy, but you cannot get the benefit from it. Or you can get but the very little benefit. So you can use 忙しばかりで意味がない something like this. The next example. 主人は小説を読んでいるばかりで家事を全然手伝ってくれない。主人は小説を読んでいるばかりで家事を全然手伝ってくれない。Which means my husband just reads novels all day and never helps out with the whole housework. My husband just reads novels all day and never helps out with the housework. The next example. 毎日仕事ばかりで夢の中でも働いているみたいな気になる。毎日仕事ばっかりで夢の中でも働いているみたいな気になる。Which means every day is constant work and I even feel like I'm working in my dreams. Every day is constant work and I even feel like I'm working in my dreams. That means you work so hard you don't have time to do something. So this is the negative situation for you because you work all the time, all day, every week, every month. No time to take tour to foreign countries. So it's not good if you do something like that. So this situation is in the negative. So you should take the balance between work and take a break to travel or to relax. So to explain or to express the feeling something like this, you can use ばかりで. But if you work, it's good for you. You can get a lot of money. You can get the wealthy from your work. You can get experience, something like this. It's good for you. So you cannot use the ばかりで to explain something like this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. ありがとうございました。